Lily, today is the beginning of a new chapter in our lives. We stand before God, our families, and our friends, making promises and vows that we would carry for the rest of our lives. From the first night I met, I knew you were special, and that is still true today. You're my best friend, my biggest supporter, and the person I want to make memories with for the rest of my life.
Cooper, you came into my life at a time when I thought all love was lost. It's getting, in the hopes of finding someone, especially in this tiny community we live in, were slim to none. I remember telling the important people in my life that I wasn't going to really worry about trying to find someone until that person came along and just swept me off my feet. Then came you. I can remember calling my dad and telling him about you, and that I just had this gut feeling that God sent me you.
You've shown me that doing laundry, washing dishes, grocery shopping, and watching all the chick flicks on Netflix can be fun when you're doing it with your best friend. I promise to always be the man that puts you and Evelyn first, and will love and support you both, pushing y'all towards your goals and dreams. I promise to never pass up a good chance to be silly with you and to make you laugh, even though you've had it up to here with me and my antics.
The amount of love and care you always show for me and Evelyn is something I will never take for granted and will be eternally grateful for.
Thank you for giving me this privilege of being the man you spend the rest of your life with, and giving me the honor of helping raise the baby girl that has wrapped her little fingers around my heart. She has shown me more about myself than I could have ever known. So this wraps up my vows. Lily, I love you so much, and I can't wait for you to take my hand and my name and to live this life with me. I love you so much.
You're the love of my life. You're my best friend, my lover, my peace, my inspiration. You make every day better, and you make me strive to be the best version of myself. I can't wait to say I do and spend the rest of this life as Mrs. Cooper forever and always.
I now, according to the ordinance of God, and as the authority of the state of Arkansas, I pronounce you husband and wife, wherefore God has joined together, let no man put asunder. And you shall kiss the bride.
Together forever. Take my